Welcome back to another Rovin's Reviews. Crispy Crunchy chicken. Why is it Crispy Crunchy? Crispy Crunchy chicken. First time ever. Let's try the chicken first. Why not? Mashed potatoes. That's good gravy. I'm not gonna lie, chicken's really good. It's actually a little bit moist. I would like it to be a little bit moist. It's not dry, but you can tell somebody made it fresh. So let's try the original sauce here. This is the original. What's up, Hawaii guy? Having some crispy crunchy chicken. Ooh, I like the sauce already. Did the sauce in there. I do have an air tender. Check out the Instagram pictures. Look at that. Beautiful. Please ignore the cricket. Wow. I like this sauce. Pretty good, amazing sauce. It's like 1,000 Island that's peppered and seasoned well. What's up, Billy? Ruben? Here's some more mash and graves. Mashed potatoes and gravy here. That spoonful. That's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Sammy Panda, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to the food review of Crispy Crunchy. Here we have is a little bit of an empanada. Not sure what the filling is. Looks kind of weird to me. That's what an empanada looks like. How you doing? I do also have a YouTube channel if you want to check it out. Rovin's Reviews. I'm currently recording the YouTube video right now for my YouTube fam. Let's give this empanada a shot. Okay. Somebody put like taco seasoning. It's like a taco seasoning with a lot of spice, cayenne, pepper. And then we're gonna add the sauce to it. Nice and soft. It almost reminds me of a taco pocket. I'm doing great, Panda, if you're still there. Let me get more of this mash. I like it. I also got a biscuit. Look at this biscuit. All of this food was for $6.95. Let's give this a shot. The biscuit's here, right there. I'll take a bite. So doughy. It almost smells like butter. Wow. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm not gonna read that. What's up? How you doing? Okay, the biscuit is nice and buttery, has a nice sweetness, a little bit of honey, and then it crumbles into a really chalky, kind of moist biscuit. And it also gets kind of like a dry effect. Like another type of biscuit, like a Popeye's biscuit. Wow, everything here is really good, guys. Everything is really good. The mashed potatoes, they're okay. I wish they put more gravy. But for $6.95, this is a lot of food actually. And you get a free sauce with every purchase. So I appreciate that. Crispy Crunchy chicken. I do recommend this place. They have other sides other than mashed potatoes, and they got they got beans and mac and cheese. The tenders are good. I would love to come back when they have chicken, actual chicken. At the time they did not have chicken. They ran out, and I guess that speaks for itself. That crispy crunchy chicken. You guys are really good. I say you're better than Popeyes personally, even though I haven't had your Cajun chicken yet. But I do like your sauce, nicely seasoned. Your potatoes are decent. Really, really good gravy though. Had a nice beef stock in it, whatever you guys use. And the empanada, I was lost with this one because I wasn't expecting a taco filling. Oh, really good. Great Hunter, what's up? I don't know if the empanada is part of your menu, but if it is, amazing. Nice taco flavor. Nice beef. Crispy. Not too oily empanada. So I hope you guys enjoyed the food review. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out my YouNow, Twitter, Instagram, RovinsRR. Snapchat is Keep Rovin Rollin'. That's KeepRovenRolin. Rovins Reviews is the Facebook page. Y'all check that out. And thank you for all the support. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, crispy, crunchy chicken day. Y'all take it easy. Love and peace. Oh my God.